my name is Anmi. Welcome to Alphabet Quest, where we embark on a thrilling adventure to discover letters hidden in nature. Let's dive into the wilderness and explore the alphabet from A to Z. Our journey begins with the letter S. S is for sun. Can you say sun? That's right, S is for sun.
Whoa!
Next, we encounter the letter T. T is for tree. Can you say tree? Great job! T is for tree.
Whoa!
Moving along to the letter U. U is for umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Well done! U is for umbrella.
Whoa!
Now let's learn about the letter V. V is for volcano. Can you say volcano? Amazing! V is for volcano.
Whoa!
Next, we have the letter W. W is for waterfall. Can you say waterfall? Fantastic! W is for waterfall.
Whoa!
Now let's move on to the letter X. X is for xylophone. Can you say xylophone? Great job! X is for xylophone.
Whoa!
Let's continue our quest with the letter Y. Y is for yellow flowers. Can you say yellow flowers? Wonderful! Y is for yellow flowers.
Whoa!
Finally, we arrive at the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Can you say zebra? Amazing! Z is for zebra.
Whoa!
Well done, little learners! What an incredible adventure we had today, discovering letters hidden in nature. Join us next time as we continue our alphabet quest. Until then, keep exploring and learning. Join us next time as we continue our alphabet adventures.